Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create an Ecwid website for affiliate marketing in 2024. So, creating an Ecwid website for affiliate marketing in 2024 allows you to leverage an e-commerce capabilities to showcase and promote affiliate products effectively. So here's a step-by-step guide to help you set up an Ecwid site, optimize of course for affiliate marketing. Of course, first of all, Ecwid offers like a seamless e-commerce platform that allows you to integrate and promote affiliate products alongside your own inventory. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave, or you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically go to this URL section. Make sure to type ecwid.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, this should take you to the home screen or main screen. So make sure to log in into an account if you have an account on Ecwid. And if you don't, sign up to a new account by clicking on get started to create a new account. For me here, I'll just click on login. I guess they will log me right into my account because I'm already because I already logged in before. For you, if it's your first time, click on login. As you can see, you'll be taken here. So you can use Apple, Facebook, or Google if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. So as I said, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself here. So if you go to this left panel and click on websites as example and click on design, and then as you can see, you'll be able to edit the appearance and content of it. So just click on edit as example, both of this. This will take you to the editor, as you can see, well, you'll be able to edit it. So for me, I already have a site. Of course, if you go here and click on edit site, you'll be taken to the same editor. So first of all, I don't know why the language changes into French. Let me just language, yeah. And I don't know why it's French for some reason. Normally I have everything in English and somehow it changed into French. So yeah, change store settings into, of course, English. Click on save. So it should be good to go. Just exit those editors and click on edit site. And yeah, okay, still like have the problem. Just back and check again if it turns into English, or I did not save the settings. So it's English. Maybe it should take some time until the changes appears. Of course, you can add more languages to your store, but you'll need a better plan as an example to get that feature. So for me, I'll just go back to my website and click on edit sites. Of course, for me, I've choose the templates before. For you, you'll have to go and choose the templates that suits your needs. And as I said before, for me, I choose that template already. So for you, you can do whatever you want and choose whatever template you want. Make sure it's a template about marketing. That's because it's in websites about affiliate marketing. So once you get into this editor, it's time basically to customize it however you want. Add some pages, change the colors, change the fonts, change the background, do whatever suits you, whatever you need. But it's time to add the important stuff, which is start adding affiliate products to your Ecwid store. Ecwid, of course, will allow you to add products manually. As an example, if you go here, normally this is store. As an example, if you click on stuff like this, you can click on manage products from here to start adding the products manually, as we said before. So, as an example, those came with my template, so I'll just go and delete them all. And simply, you'll be able to first of all import those products. If you have like CSV file of it, of course, if you want to export or import like a lot of products, you'll be able to use an CSV file. If you have them in CSV file to import like a lot of products once. But if you don't, you can simply add them manually by one. Upload the images, name, weights, every information about it, and then you'll be able to publish it, as you can see, or click on add a new product. So you'll be able to add everything about it from general attributes, option, files, shipping, SEO, related products, and etc. Other than that, as an example, so just go and delete that. And I guess I remove this. So if I refresh, I will not find anything here. So yeah, no product. So once you add your products, of course, you can enter like the product details, all you need, and even make sure with your products to add your affiliate links. Alternatively, You can also use some CSV, as I said, option to import a lot of products if you have a lot, or even integrate with platforms that offer some like affiliate product feeds. After that, you can start organizing your affiliate products into categories and collections within Ecwid. This will help visitors easily navigate through your store and find products of interest. You can create some logical categories based on product type, brands, or any other relevant criteria. You can use the Ecwid design tools to customize your own store page also and edit the or adjust the layouts, add banners, or even promotional images that and arrange of course products widgets to create some engaging shopping experience. Ensure that your store layout is responsive and optimized for mobile devices also, not just for the PCs. Why? Or desktop. Why? Because if you optimize for mobile phone also, this will increase your SEO ranking, which is actually what you're looking for. So click on preview here. Make sure it's looking good for the phone. As examples, look at this picture. It does not look good on the phone. Like half of it is where is it? Gone. But on the PC, as you can see, reviews look good. Phone now. So this will gets you a bad SEO ranking, which is actually bad for you because that will not be, load traffic into your website. So make sure to edit this or even remove a picture if it's looking bad on the phone, or edit it so it will appear on the phone as it is on the PC. So, as I said, optimize your store SEO. That's very, very important to drive traffic. And once you check everything is corrected, as example here and here, everything looks good, it's time to publish your website. Click on publish and promote your Ecwid store on social media or anywhere you want. You can also, as I said, share it here in your social media, Facebook, Twitter, and you can view your site and test it out by your own. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.